The vertical advantage of whiteboard walls in 2026. In 2026, the best workplaces are changing how we think. Say goodbye to the desk slump and hello to the vertical advantage. By switching to wall-sized whiteboards, you trigger embodied cognition. Science shows that standing up and making large physical movements actually wakes up your brain and lowers stress. It's a game changer for focus. The data shows that writing vertically generates 52% more creative ideas and improves memory retention by 73% compared to typing. But you need the right surface. Remarkable Whiteboard Paint creates a ghost-free finish in just 48 hours. You can even use clear paint over earth tones for a calming modern look. Don't let your best ideas die in a laptop. Give your team the vertical advantage today with Remarkable. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.